Obviously, you know.
Hi there, Diamond Black. Is that?
Oh, yeah.
Hi. Yes, it's Brian here from the Brain Records about the Dope 2K test presses.
Oh, hi, Brian. Yeah, hi. Hey, how you doing?
Hi, good. I just still trying to chase and find out what the situation is with the Diamond Black, with the final tweak test press. He sent me a picture of it. He said he sent it over. Did you receive it?
Yes, we got the plates. They're going through galvanics. They should be out probably tomorrow or Wednesday.
Oh, brilliant.
We'll go on another test press. We sent it in 2B size. One for 002 and one for 003.
Yeah, so those are replacements for the other plates that were dodgy. So I just want to put them back together with the and then just yeah.
Okay, well we should get something out to you by the end of the week.
All right.
New lots of 210s on.
That's good news. Thanks a lot, man. Looking forward to it.
No problem, Brian.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers,
Bye.
mate.
Bye. Yes, Master and Crew back once again with another video, and just to let you know, there's been an update on the Kickstarter. I spoke to Shane. He sent over proof that he'd sent the box over to Diamond Black with the new cut, and Diamond Black have now confirmed that they've received it, and he said he's going to get TPs out to me by the end of the week. So it looks like we should be back on track now, people. Just hopefully these TPs are fine. Apparently it's cut on some sort of red master now. I don't know, whatever that means. It's the best, I don't know, but yeah, we are looking forward to it. Yeah, and we're probably thinking, well, why didn't they do that in the first place? But either way, guys, you know, it's up and running now. I'm happy to say that, you know, things are looking like they're moving forward. So stay tuned, guys. I'm keeping you posted, you know, just checking in, let you know everything is okay. In the meantime, still there on the retro kit and calling up the archives, still working hard. I've been in here just in the box, man, just working like crazy, just archiving, man, archiving my life away in here, man. It's nuts. Anyway, people, heads up.
I'm a everyday junglist.